Solved problems. Total creditors account. Problem. Mr. Ojodu had the following balances in his books on 1st July 1995. Sundry creditors 9724. Debit balance in purchase ledger 660. The following transactions took place during the month of July. Payment to creditors 28,368. Bills payable accepted 15,129. Discount received 1,838. Purchase returns and allowances 749. Sales and purchases ledger transfers 1,498. Credit purchases 47,317. Purchase debit balance at close 856. Prepare the total creditors control account for the month of July 1995. Let us put the problem in order. Ojodu had the following balances in his books on 1st July 1994. That means these are beginning balances. 1. Sundry creditors 9,724. Debit balance in purchase ledger 660. The sundry creditors 9,724 is the credit balance. Normally, creditors account to show credit balance. So specifically this is mentioned debit balance in purchase ledger. So this 660 is opening debit balance. The following transactions took place during the month of July. Payment to creditors 28,368. Bills payable accepted 15,129. Discount received 1,838. Purchase returns and allowances 749. Sales and purchase ledger transfers 1,498. Credit purchases 47,317. These are the transactions take place during the month of July. In the close of the month, there is a closing balance, purchase debit balance at close 856. This is the debit balance at the close. In the beginning, there are two opening balances were given, sundry creditors and debit balance in purchase ledger. Similarly, in the end, the purchase debit balance at close is given as 856. The remaining balance, sundry creditors closing balance, we will find out while solving the problem. Answer. Total creditors control account debit credit. Let us post all the transactions 1 to 9 on the left side to the total creditors control account. Item 1 sundry creditors beginning balance on the credit side July balance brought forward 9,724. Transaction number 2 beginning balance debit balance in purchase ledger 660. So this we will post on the debit side of the creditors control account. July 1 balance brought forward 660. Now let us post the transactions took place during the month. 3. Payment to creditors on the debit side 28,368. 4. Bills accepted, bills payable accepted 15,129 on the debit side. 5. Discount received 1,838 on the debit side. 6. Purchase returns and allowances 749 on the debit side. 7. Sales and purchase ledger transfers 1,498 on the debit side. 8. Credit purchases 47,317 on the credit side. 9. Balance carried forward 856. This is the closing balance as given in the problem. When we total all debits and credits, all debits are coming 48,242. All credits are coming 57,897. When we balance the account, the credit side is more and the debit side is less. So the balance carried down is 9,655. We put it on the debit side to balance the account. When we balance 48,242 plus 9,655 is total 57,897. On the credit side also it is 57,897. Now we will carry forward the closing balances. Balance carried down 856. It is brought down on the debit side 856. As in the problem, closing balance purchase debit balance at the close is 856. So this is the debit balance 856. The closing balance carried down 9,655 will become credit balance for the next period in the beginning 9,655. This is how the balance is carried forward for the next period. This is the problem and final solution. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.